Alright, today we're doing a video on how to replace your KingPin. Chances are if you've broken your KingPin, you took a pretty serious fall, unless you got some pretty incredible skate skills. So, I have a short grip plate here, pretty basic, nothing out of the ordinary. And some wrenches here that we're going to use to remove the KingPin. Okay. So first thing you want to do is loosen up your lock nut, which is right here. Okay. Take one of your wrenches, lefty loosey, righty tighty on that. Loosen that up as much as possible. Loosen the KingPin at the top here. Same thing, all the way to your left. After a while, it should come free, as you can see there. Take off your truck axle, set it to the side, and now you have your plate free of any KingPin, truck, anything like that. And loosen this lock nut off of the KingPin, because everything surrounds the KingPin at this point. This is your KingPin here that goes straight through the bottom. Remove the lock nut. Remove your bushings and the plates. I'll kind of line them up in order here so you can see. Your first bushing, if you have a double action truck, your truck / hanger, another bushing, another plate, and now you have your KingPin. Okay? So normally if this part breaks, it's going to break somewhere along here, and sometimes you may have to fish the other half of your KingPin out of this hole right here. Okay, so what you're going to do is here's another KingPin. Replace them out. They're not broken. I'm not going to break them just for this, but so you take your new KingPin and pretty much go in the reverse order. The plate, bushing, hanger into the truck. Okay, that's half of it so far. Your second bushing, if you have double action on your plate. Okay. Just to show you how that looks. And last but not least, your locking bolt. Okay. You just screw that on like so. Kind of leave a little bit of room just to give me some room to play with when I'm trying to get the whole unit back onto the plate. So what you do is you put your pivot pin, which is this point right here, back into the pivot cup, which is here. Get your KingPin back into its original spot and screw everything down tightly, and you should be all set. Okay? And thanks for watching. Until next time.